guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited for this week video because it's from my favorite hair company, RPGshow, and they're so easy to install. You don't have to do too much to it, and it's just straight out of the box. You can wear it on your hair. Already I can tell the hair quality is amazing, and it's supposed to be bangs, eh? The lace itself is already like bleached and toned. The hairline is already plucked. But let's put this on the mannequin head and see. And this is what the wig is supposed to look like, but when I put it on the mannequin head, it really wasn't given, okay? So let's just get into it and see how everything goes. Guys, I'm shy. In fact, judge me, it's okay, I probably deserve it. I'm just going to go ahead and put in a little bit of leave-in conditioner in my hair and some hair oil and all of that stuff just to prep my hair for this. Ooh, but look at this lace though. I wouldn't have to pluck it. Like, I'm so happy about that because it's already like properly plucked. Guys, like honestly, I don't know. How am I supposed to style this? So now the hair is out of the way. I'm just going to go ahead and glue it down first before I even start thinking of how I'm going to style it, because I haven't done bangs in forever, so I'm a little bit lost, I'm a little bit flustered, but bear with me guys. I know the end result is going to be spectacular. So I literally have not been using Got2b. Instead, I've been using this hairspray by Aussie, and I love it, guys. I love this thing. Okay. Oh, this side is going to be the hardest. This wig is going to give me a facelift because look, I got that slant eye cut thing going on. So my hair is 20 inches and everything is kind of the same length except the bangs. So for a more cohesive look, I think I'm going to give it some layers. I'm just going to use a little bit of my hair oil. This is by Biosilk. Just a little bit, like so, to add some shine and volume to the hair. Take this down. Let's take this down. Let's see. Ooh, why do I feel? No, let's just curl this like regular bangs and just see, because so now that I've combed it out, it's actually not looking that bad anymore, but I feel like it can look better. I'm so scared to cut the bangs because honestly, like, I really don't want to, but I feel like I have no other option than to cut the bangs. I think I'm going to do 2 pigtails, so one on this side. This is giving very anime right now. This would have been perfect if I was going as an anime character for Halloween, but I'm not. So okay, I think something is happening now. Just very, very slight baby hairs. Nothing too crazy, nothing too much. So this is what my hair is looking like. For final touches to my wig, I'm going to take my powder and just put this on my part right here. Right here, like this, and then on the T, like it's kind of like a T-zone. Okay guys, so this is the final look of my wig, and honestly I know it was quite a journey to get here, but now that I am here, I love the way this wig looks. I look so beautiful. The bangs came in flawlessly. Like obviously I had to cut it, but I think this hairstyle is really giving. I called up my friends right now and I was like, guys, why do I look this good with nowhere to go? So once again, my hair is from RPGshow. This is the wig by Cherie's hair. It's 20 inches. It's very silky. The hair quality is amazing, guys. Like I still have wigs from RPGshow from 3 years ago that I still wear today. The lace itself is light brown and it came pre-plucked. The knots came bleached. The lace came tinted. So I didn't have to do anything to this hair apart from take it out of the box and literally style it on my head. And that's one of the reasons why I love RPGshow. Right now, the wig currently retails for about $400, which I'm not going to lie, is very pricey. But the good news is RPGshow is having one of the biggest sales they have of the year right now. So you can use this discount code right here at checkout to save yourself a shit ton of money if you decide to buy this hair. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Until next time, my loves, peace and love. If you like the way my makeup looks, okay, I have a tutorial for this makeup look already on my channel, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out anyways. And until next time, peace and love.